Hello student, welcome to the second module of tenses. In the last module, we learned about the tense, its meaning, different types of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. We also did the detailed study of present tense and its types. Now in this module, I am going to discuss past tense in all its forms. So sit with your notebook and ball pen and note down all the important points. First of all, I'll tell you the meaning of past tense. Past tense describes the actions of the past. The literal meaning, a verb that refers to the past time. For example, the gardener watered the plants yesterday. Just like present tense, past tense can also be described in four ways. First one, simple past or past indefinite. Second is past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Number 1, simple past tense or past indefinite means use of second verb did plus first verb. See the example on your screen. He wrote a letter. Sentence structure, subject plus second verb plus object. Negative sentence, he did not write a letter, and sentence structure is subject did not negative plus first verb and object. Interrogative sentence, did he write a letter? Sentence structure is helping verb did plus subject, first verb and object. Students, did you notice one thing regarding the use of did? Yes, did is used for negative and interrogative sentences and it always carry first verb with it, while affirmative sentence carries second verb. To understand this better, see more examples on your screen. Coming to the second, past continuous tense or past progressive tense. It means action going on at the some time in the past. Use of was, were, first verb plus ing. For example, I was writing a letter. Sentence structure is subject, helping verb was, write plus ing and object. Negative sentence, I was not writing a letter. Sentence structure, subject plus was plus not, first verb ing and object. Interrogative sentence, was I writing a letter? Sentence structure, was which is helping verb, subject, verb plus ing and object. Students, see more examples on your screen to understand it better. Past perfect, use of had and third verb. For example, I had written a letter. Sentence structure, subject plus had, third verb written and object. Negative, I had not written a letter. Sentence structure, subject, helping verb had plus third verb and object. Interrogative, had I written a letter? Sentence structure, had, subject plus third verb and object. Important note, please write down in your notebook, if there are two past incidents, the one that happened earlier takes the past perfect tense and the second incident should be in simple past. For example, the train had left before we reached the station. Now here, the leaving of the train happened earlier than our reaching the station. See more example on your screen to understand it. Next one is past perfect continuous tense. It means use of had been plus first verb ing plus time which I already have mentioned in present tense also, that is use of since and for. Example, I had been writing a letter. Sentence structure, subject, had been, that is helping verb, plus first verb ing and object. Negative, I had not been writing a letter. Sentence structure, subject, had been plus negative, first verb plus ing and object. Interrogative, had I been writing a letter? Students, I hope I am clear up to here. See few more example on your screen and write down in your notebook whatever I taught in the first module of the tense, that is present tense, and in this module, that past tense. Thank you. Keep learning, rise and shine.